Okay, for adding or subtracting money, the concept is very simple and this video will be very short. Okay, the main thing you have to understand is that when you're adding or subtracting money, okay, the most important thing to remember is to align the decimal points. Okay, align. What does align mean? So, for example, let's say I have the question of $5.65, okay, plus 20 cents, for example. Okay, let's say I have this question. Okay, to do this question, you simply have to get 5. Sorry, I go back. You have to align first. Okay, so the very first thing to do is to align the decimal points. So I will put a decimal point to indicate for this $5.65, and I'll put another decimal point here. Okay, to indicate this 20 cents. So after I put the decimal points together, I'll write 5, 6, 5 here like that. After that, okay, I'll put the 0, 2, 0 like that. Okay, so once I align the decimal points, okay, I just simply solve this question. Alright, and very quickly I will get the answer. Okay, which is the answer is $5.85. Okay, it's very fast and very quick and you don't really have to think of anything. Okay, but the idea behind aligning is that you at least get all the place values, okay, in place and in line, and so that you don't get confused. So why do you have to do that? Because usually the common mistake is when if let's say I have $5.652, which actually for your level, okay, they wouldn't have like three places at the back, but it's just good for you to take note. Okay, and it's just good to have this good habit, okay, when you to align the decimal points for now. Okay, but just as an extra knowledge, just know that if let's say you have a number like that, 5.652, and when you add like 20 cents, for example, okay, if you do not align the numbers, okay, if you do not align the numbers, you will end up with, okay, you end up with this, okay. You end up finding that the decimal points, okay, are not in line with each other. So you end up with a number like that, and you then after that have no idea which decimal point to bring down. You see, so do I bring down this decimal point or this decimal point? Because and then it's quite ridiculous if you go and put the number like that, right? Okay, there's no such number like 5.6.72.